Okay, so let's just see what this looks like. Okay, welcome to camera raw 14.3. Okay, so let me do this. Off screen with record transition.
Okay.
Okay, so this is I haven't done anything with it. I don't know anything about this yet. So it's
All right.
like, okay, say, all right, open. So this is the image. Okay,
Right.
so this is it right here. Generative fill. So this is the new thing. Make a selection to non-destructively generate content. Replace backgrounds. Okay, learn more.
Okay. Now,
So
is it using AI to figure out what would go best in that? Like, how about a plane
generative.
approaching you with its lights on? Would that work
So
at
I
night?
want to do this. So if I, oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. I want to select it with this lasso tool. Okay, so I want to
Okay.
do this. So
Yeah.
select all this.
Okay.
Okay, generative fill.
All
Okay.
right.
Oh, I gotta agree. I gotta agree to the terms of service.
Right.
Okay. Northern Lights.
Oh, so
Generate.
you're going to put the northern lights in the background?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see how this works. So, an AI is going to do the combination and the fill of this.
It's doing it right now. That's all I did. I've had the program open 30 seconds.
All right. Oh, look at
Well,
that.
it took out the
The
okay,
lighthouse.
so it took out the lighthouse. Okay, so
So,
let's do
because you
this.
went right
So
across from that.
okay, so let's do this. So let's do this up and
Oh,
around.
man. Okay.
Okay, so the whole thing.
All
Okay,
right.
so generative fill. So Aurora Borealis with meteor
So, you're typing in what you wanted to see, what you want to show up.
with shooting star.
Okay.
Generate.
Let's see how this works. This is from Adobe. This is Photoshop.
I
And
mean, it goes pretty fast.
yeah. Oh
Uh,
my God.
well, that just did stars. That just made
Yeah,
stars.
but look at the lighthouse. It's actually giving it a little more brilliance. You know,
Yeah, it definitely did that. So let's see that.
we can do one. Here's one.
Oh
All right.
yeah, that looked like I just edited the photo. Like I just pulled
Yeah.
out the photos.
All right. What about this? Airplane approaching, lights on. Let's see if see if it has that. There's something like 30 million photos or that are available in Adobe stock. I want to see if it has that. Okay, that looks a little cheesy. I meant like coming towards us. It's gonna crash into the lighthouse.
Okay, well, let me do this. Let me do this. This is water. So let me do this.
Okay.
Let me do this.
Okay. What are you gonna
Boat
put?
approaching lighthouse.
Oh, that'd be interesting.
Because is it
So it
only
knows where
generating
to fill.
right? But is it only generating this piece? Is it looking at the
Yeah,
whole image and going? It's going.
I think it's gonna be like a little tiny boat that's in that little section. Yeah, see? Oh, but
Oh no, it's a lower laker.
yeah. So I mean that actually would work.
That actually looks like that could be a real photo.
Yeah, it does. So this is called Generative Fill, and it's on Adobe Photoshop.